How to build faster in Fortnite. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can build faster in Fortnite. To build faster in Fortnite, it's important to improve both your technical settings and your skill. Launch the Fortnite game and go to keyboard controls. Now here you will see different kind of keys for your movement and combat. If you scroll down on your left section, then you will land to this interface. You will see the wall option. For wall option, set Q or mouse button. Now also it is very important to keep in mind about your accessibility. Set keys that are easier to access. Now use this edit to build combos. At first you might be confused and not know what to do. To solve this problem, practice in creative mode. In creative mode, try building as fast as you can. Also improve your aim and movement. You will also need to use the right sensitivity settings to build faster in Fortnite. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.